Hello everyone, I'm really excited to unbox this in-ear monitors that I received. This is WESTONE Pro x30 in-ear monitors. I just received it, so I'm going to take a look and I like to share this with you. It comes in a beautiful packaging where the top sleeve kind of thing can be removed. So that's that, and that is the box it comes in, and that is what it looks like in the case. So let me try taking all the bits out. There is a beautiful storage case. Little bag. I guess it is for the storage case. That's the instructions manual. And these are the in-ear monitors. So let me take them out. It comes beautifully packaged. It has a nice little cable tidy holding the cable neatly together. And it's a lovely fine looking cable. And these are the monitors. So let me put the packaging away and let me show you. They look absolutely beautiful. And the little case contains a pack of earbuds. Yeah, the box comes with all the earbuds, and I think you're kind of spoiled for choice because there's so many of them. And the beautiful box is really handy. Firstly, because the box is really well made and will protect the monitors, and secondly, because it's orange in color. When you put all your gear in a bag, you actually can't lose it. So it's beautiful, and I'm sure it will fit in very nicely when you want to put it away. Yeah, without any problem. You can see that it's plenty of room for that. And so I shall try and connect this onto my mixer, and I will get back to you in a moment once I check the monitors out on WESTONE Pro x30. To continue, before I start using my in-ear monitors, I have checked out the buds that I need to use, and I'm going to be using the silicone buds, which is the tiniest two buds in the pack, because my ear canal is not particularly big. So I'm going to be doing that. And about the cable, this is a Linambax T2 cable. One of the best things that I like about this in-ear monitors is there is no particular shape for the cable. It just goes behind your ear. So I'm going to be testing it, and after this I will show you a picture of me wearing it in my ears, and from there I will give you right at the end how I felt wearing them and what I thought of the sound that came through. This is an image of the in-ear monitors placed in my right and left ear. They're extremely comfortable and the sound quality is very good. I'm also pleased with the clarity of the highs, mids and bass, and I feel I made the right choice in purchasing WESTONE Pro x30. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Bye for now.